Hey guys, today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I went to Trader Joe's, and now I didn't go around the store and record myself getting kicked out or anything like that, but I did pick up some easy ingredients that Trader Joe's are known for. They're prepackaged foods that are high quality, and so I picked out enough for 10 meals, 10 individual meals for lunch and dinner meal prep throughout the week for under $50. So let's get started. So like I said, instead of going to Trader Joe's and showing you all of the keto things that they have, which they have a lot, I went ahead and compiled meals that, compiled products that can be turned into meals that are good for you, keto, and they're cheap. So first of all, one of my favorites, and this is what I'm gonna have for lunch today, I'm gonna take this butter lettuce here, and I'm going to top it with this chicken salad. And this chicken salad is so good. It's delicious. This is 3 servings, but I would probably make it 2 servings. And each serving is 2 grams of carbs, but so it would be 3 grams of carbs for half of this container. So butter lettuce, chicken salad, and then I got these hard cooked eggs. They're already hard boiled and peeled. We wouldn't use all of them for the week. This has 6 eggs in it. I would just use 1 per day. So here are, 2 meals plus, because we're not eating all the eggs, plus I got an avocado. So we've got the butter lettuce, chicken salad, the hard cooked egg, and half an avocado. So 2 meals right there. Delicious. I'm excited about that one. Another thing they have at Trader Joe's is the hearts of palm. And I don't know if you've seen, I think it's called palmini pasta on Instagram, or I don't know if they have it on Amazon, but it's shredded hearts of palm. That stuff is expensive. This stuff was like $1 something a can, maybe $2. So you just drain the hearts of palm and you shred it, and it's like spaghetti. I got this in the freezer section at Trader Joe's, this turkey Bolognese. It's really good. It has really good macros. For half a cup, it's 5 net carbs. So that's about what you would use Raos marinara. That's about how much carbs Raos marinara has. So turkey Bolognese, hearts of palm. And then I also picked up this Manchego cheese. And this is not the cheapest cheese, but it is really delicious. So I would put together this turkey Bolognese, the hearts of palm, and the Manchego cheese. There's another 2 meals right there. And you probably wouldn't use all of that. I mean, you're not going to eat a whole pound or half a pound of cheese in 2 servings, so you'd have leftover cheese. Next up, I love these prepackaged marinated meat at Trader Joe's. They do have a little bit of sugar, but it's not that big of a deal as long as you pick the ones that have the lower carb counts. This one is the balsamic rosemary beef steak tips, and it's really delicious. And I would pair this also that I got in the freezer section at Trader Joe's, mashed cauliflower. And this is already mashed, and you can feel it inside. It's like little pucks, and it's already got cream and butter and milk in it. So I was gonna mix this with some shredded, now this I've never seen anywhere else. This is shredded Swiss cheese and Gruyere cheese, and I was gonna mix that with the cauliflower mash. Yes, this has potato starch in it. I don't care. It's a convenience item, and it adds minimal, very minimal carb count. If that's a problem for you, go buy you a brick of Swiss cheese and Gruyere cheese and shred it yourself. There's another meal idea. So this would probably be 3 servings right here, and you probably wouldn't use all of the cheese unless you want it really cheesy. Our final meal is this chicken shawarma. It's chicken thighs that was over in the meat department. This is 3 carbs per 4-ounce serving, and it's marinated in a shawarma seasoning. It's delicious. I also picked up a Delicata squash. This is so good if you slice them into rings, scoop out the seeds, and then sprinkle garam masala seasoning on top. Pairs perfectly with the shawarma and so good. You roast them in the oven at 425 for about 20 minutes. Flip them halfway through. Delicious. But guys, I will list all of the things that I bought down in the description below. So I hope you like this video. I really like doing these and I want to do more, showing you what you can buy, not only showing you what you can buy, but what you can actually make out of the ingredients. So stay tuned for more. I'll do other grocery stores that I have in my area. And I will see you guys later. Bye.